Namaste students, welcome to your online math class. Today topic fraction. So fraction, how to write fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, how to do, we know that. Fraction means what is mean by fraction? Very good, everyone by got that definition, fraction is a part of whole. It's the present one or more equal part of a whole object. Correct? ஃப்ராக்ஷன்ங்கிறது ஒரு பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஹோல் மீன்ஸ் நம்ம ஃபுல் பிஸ்கெட் எடுக்கிறோன்னா அதை நம்ம ஸ்மால் பீசஸாக கட் பண்ணோன்னா தட் ஃபுல் பார்ட் ஆஃப் பிஸ்கெட் டிவைட் பை தட் ஸ்மால் பீஸ், தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃப்ராக்ஷனில் அடிஷன், சப்ட்ராக்ஷன், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எப்படி செய்யணும், ஹவு டு டூ த மொமெண்ட், already we know that. Now we observe the division. So first question, 2 divided by 5 divided 3 out of 3 divided by 7. So how to do? So 2 divided by 5 divided by 3 divided by 7 directly do means that is impossible. So something difficult. Okay, so that is easiest way how to do means the first term 2 by 5 as well as now the division we should convey the product means the second part we should take the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal means 3 by 7 means you want to reciprocal means denominator numerator denominator we should change means that structure we can call reciprocal. Do you know ma? So 3 divided by 7, how to write? 7 divided by 3, that is the reciprocal. So division asking means then first part, first terms as well as the divided we want to change multiple. Why? Because for my convenient நம்ம டைரக்டாக டிவிஷனை செய்ய முடியாதனால டிவிஷனை மல்டிபிளாக கன்வே பண்ணுறோம். அப்போது அந்த செகண்ட் டைமாக இருக்கிறது யூ டேக் த ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். இப்போ நான் அதை ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக மாற்றிட்டேன், 7 by 3 சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டேன். கரெக்ட்? ஸோ நவ் directly product that process. Now center of the sign product multiple. Correct? So multiple means we know that direct product. Numerator product பண்ணலாம், denominator product பண்ணலாம். So 2 7s are 14, 5 3s are 15. So we get 14 divided by 15. Do you understood, student? I hope. 1 divided by 5 divide 2 divided by 9. So division directly do means that is impossible, we know that. So first term as well as then divided we want to convey the multiple sign means the second term we want to change the reciprocal, So 2 by 9 you take the reciprocal means how to change? Good. The denominator change to numerator come to denominator. So அப்போ 2ங்கிற நம்பர் comes to 9. Okay, denominatorல பார்ட்டுக்கு வந்துடும். Denominator number we should write the numerator part. So how to change means 9 divided by 2. Correct? Okay, is center of the sign multiple. So multiple means we know that the process direct product, numerator product பண்ணும், denominator product பண்ணும். So 1 9s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So we get 9 divided by 10. Do you understood, students? Good. Third one, 4 by 5 divided 2 by 10. So divisions have, so that is impossible. So we want to change the multiple sign means that second part, division after term you take the reciprocal, So 2 by 10 how to write? 10 by 2. So 4 into 10 40, 5 2s are 10. So that also correct. Okay, otherwise according my choice that previous sum we can do multiplication இந்த process நம்ம implement பண்ணியிருந்திருப்போம். So denominator பார்ட்டுக்கு numerator part elimination possible means same table we can say and eliminated the numbers. Okay, so the first term denominator part is 5, that second term numerator part is 10. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, correct? This side 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So that both denominator is 1 into 1 1, 1 is rejected, that numerator 2, 2 into 2 4. So we get 4 according my choice. டைரெக்டாகவும் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணி அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம், அதர்வைஸ் எலிமினேஷன் பாசிபிள் எலிமினேட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ ஒன் கைண்ட் நம்ம எலிமினேட் பண்ணும்போது இப்போ இந்த 2 இந்த டினாமினேட்டர் 2 இந்த செகண்ட் டைம் டினாமினேட்டர் 2 யூ சி 2ஆல் நம்ம இந்த 4ஐயும் எலிமினேட் பண்ண முடியும், 10ஐயும் எலிமினேட் பண்ண முடியும். ஒன் நம்பர்ஸ் ஒன்லி யூ ரிஜெக்டட் eliminated, that is the correct process. இந்த 2ஆல் 4 and 10 2ஐயுமே அட்டிட்டேத்தில் எலிமினேட் பண்ணணும், that is wrong. ஒன் நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு ஒன் நம்பரை மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால் எலிமினேட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா, அதுதான் ரூல். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்போ இங்கே அப்போது 2ஆல் எரிச்சூன் பாசிபிள் மீன்ஸ் அக்கார்டிங் ஒரு சாய்ஸ். இந்த 2ஆல் நீ 10ஐயும் எலிமினேட் பண்ணலாம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 4/5 into 10/2. ஓகே, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, correctama? Then so the second term numerator and denominator I shed 2 table. Okay, I told 2 table. Okay, then we get 5. So this both also denominator 5, numerator 5. Appo 1 5s are 5, denominator also 1 5s are 5. Both side we can use 5 table, so 5 is rejected. அப்போ 4 1s are 4, directly we get 4. According my choice, elimination ங்கிறது நீ டினாமினேட்டரோட நியூமரேட்டர், டினாமினேட்டர் ஒன் நம்பர்ஸ் எடுத்தால் நியூமரேட்டரில் ஒன் நம்பர் எடுக்கணும். போத் நம்பர்ஸ்க்குமே சேம் டேபிள் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்மளால் ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ண முடியும்னா ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். தட் இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் வே, கரெக்ட் வே. ஓகே, தென் ஒன் மோர் கொஷின். 6 divided by 7 divided 3/2. So you see the first part 6 divided by 7 as well as division we convey to multiple means second time we want to take the reciprocal, 3 divided by 2 we can change and write 2/3. That is the reciprocal structure, Then the 7th table elimination possible, you check? No. 6 and 2 is the even numbers, so that is impossible. 3 next term denominator you see 3, that also possible. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, possible. அப்போ 2 2s are 4, 7 1s are 7, 4/7. That is we get the solution. Do you understood, students? One more question. 1 3/5 divided 2 divided by 7. So that first term is a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction means multiple addition, everything is difficult, So first of all we want to convey the improper structure. How to do? We know that the formulas, whole numbers into numerator divided by denominator means whole numbers into denominator plus numerator then divided by denominator. So we get the outcome, we get the proper structure. So whole numbers oda denominator first product பண்ணனும் இல்லையா? அப்போ 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 8, correct amma? So the denominator as well as comes 2/7. Okay, so 8/5 comes means the division we want to convey product, then you take the reciprocal in denominator second term. Once again நம்ம என்ன மூமெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும்னா எப்போ நம்ம whenever we change the denominator to divided to multiple means that time only you take the reciprocal in second part. ஓகேவா, எப்போ நம்ம டிவிஷனை மல்டிபிளாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோமோ அப்போ தான் நீ செகண்ட் டைம் என்ன மூமெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும், ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக எடுக்கணும். பை சான்ஸ் நீ டிவிஷனுக்கு சைனை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாமல் நம்பர்ஸுக்கு ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எடுத்தாலும் ராங், நீ ரெசிப்ரோ டிவைடு மல்டிபிளாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிவிட்டு எகைன் அந்த நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு நீ ரெசிப்ரோக்கில் எடுக்காமல் டைரெக்டாக ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணாலும் தட் இஸ் ராங். ஓகே, யூ ஷுட் அப்சர்வ் திஸ் கான்செப்ட். Okay, so 2 by 7 we want to change and write. Take the reciprocal means 7 divided by 2. So any elimination possible or you check and do according your choice. Directly product means you direct product money and the numbers as well as you should write. Otherwise according my elimination possible means we want to change. So 7 8s are means 56. 5 2s are means 10. அப்படியும் ரைட் பண்ணலாம். அதர்வைஸ் நம்ம என்ன மூமெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம், இந்த 2ஆல் எலிமினேட் பண்ண முடியும். 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 4 7s are 28, 5 1s are 5. So that is the solution according my choice. Okay, then next one, division we clear means next addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything we should recall, I think. So நமக்கு நார்மலாக denominator additions means how to do. So whatever give we should observe the denominator only. Like fraction is given means that is possible to addition and multiplication. So now you see the denominator is totally differ. This is 5, that another one is 3. So how to do 5 and 3 is different numbers means we should take the cross product. That before you see the given numbers is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction how to write, we know that, you know. Now I hide the solution, you should directly say, we know that 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 8. So 8 by 5. This side 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. ஸோ 7 by 3. நம்ம இனி ஒவ்வொரு டைமும் நீங்கள் ஃபார்முலாஸை புட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணுறதை விட டேரெக்டாகவே மெயின் செட் பண்ண தெரியணும், சரியா? ஸோ ஹையர் ஸ்டடீஸில் அப்போ தான் நம்மளால் ஃபாஸ்ட் மூமெண்ட் கொடுக்க முடியும், கரெக்டாக? ஸோ 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3 8, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Do you understood, student? The whole numbers-ஓட denominator product பண்ணுறீங்க. We get the solution, you should add the numerator part. Okay, ஸோ டேரெக்டாக மெயின் செட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ண தெரியணும் உனக்கு. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த டேலண்ட். ஸோ வி கெட் 8 by 5, that 7 by 3. Now you see the denominator is totally different. So according my choice, we want to like numbers, you know. Like numbers means same denominator, you know how to do. So according my choice, we can take the LCM for the denominator. Otherwise direct cross product you should take. So that side the numerator part is 3 no more. So that 3 you take product of the numerator and denominator. Then that denominator is 5. That number product of the numerator and denominator, then one more number. So 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15. Now you see same denominator we have means you should add the numerator part, correct? So how to add? 24 plus denominator samely have means commonly you should write. So that is a like fraction, no? Like fraction means commonly you should write, then you add the numerator part. 24 plus 35, 24 plus 35, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 3 5, 59. 59 divided by 15. Correct, Amma? Okay. I hope did you understand this sum, Amma? One more question. Subtraction. 3 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 8. Now you see the denominator is same or differ? Same. Correct. So now how to read the terms? Correct. Like fractions. Like fraction means same denominator have means that is a like fraction, no? That numbers we want to subtract. So 3 by 8 as well as minus 1 by 8 as well as same denominator have, you know. Same denominator we want to write. the numerator, subtract the term means 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 8 we get. Okay. So we get 2 by 8. Then one more question, multiplication. 4 by 7 into 2 by 3. Multiple means we know that direct product. So direct product means 4 2s are 4 and 2 is a numerator part, 4 2s are 8. 7 and 3 is a denominator part, 7 3s are 21. So whenever denominator differ or equal, whenever we observe, correct, addition and subtraction only, given fraction like or not, like fraction or unlike fraction we want to check. Samely have means same denominator you keep on odd and sub. By chance differently have means you take the LCM, otherwise you take the cross product. Cross product panni நம்ம denominator equalize பண்ணி then you add or subtract. Given questions you give the solution. Okay, so but multiplication have means no problem. Elimination possible or not you want to check. டினாமினேட்டருக்கு நியூமரேட்டர் பார்ட் எலிமினேட் பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதான்னு மட்டும் தான் செக் பண்ண போகிறோம். எலிமினேஷன் பாசிபிள்னா எலிமினேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். அதர்வைஸ் நியூமரேட்டரோட ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம், டினாமினேட்டரோட ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். டைரக்ட்லி we get the solution. We know that the tables, ma. Then next one, division. 3 by 8 divided 1 by 2. How to do 3 by 8 as well as divided 1 by 2. Divided means we know that division comes means we want to change multiplication. Multiple means second term we take the reciprocal, so you take 2 by 1. Okay, 1 by 2 na we convert to the reciprocal means 2 by 1. Next multiplication sign have the inside means center part means direct product, correct. 3 2s are 6, 8 1s are 8. That is the solution. So otherwise elimination possible means eliminated the numbers, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4. So we get the solution 3 by 4. Do you understood, student? Then one more question, division. Division divide same. 1 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So you see 1 2 by 5, that is a mixed fraction. So we want to convey the improper fraction. How to do? Already I told you, denominator part oda edha multiple பண்ணுவீங்க whole numbers. So 1 5s are 5. Then you add the numerator. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 by 5. Then division have means that second term we want to convey the structure. Okay, division comes means how to do 7 by 5 as well as, okay, the division we want to change the multiple means you take the reciprocal in second part, So 2 by 3 you take the reciprocal means 3 by 2. Reciprocal you know that. Okay, numerator and denominator you should exchange means that is we get the reciprocal part, correct. So reciprocal we get means next product have means direct product. 7 3s are 21, 5 2s are 10, we get 21 by 10. So did you understand these questions, students? So fractions how to write. Some questions is homework I give. You can try, students. Homework that 5 sums is given there. First one, addition. Now like fraction or unlike fraction you see. First one is correct, unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means you take the cross product, then you compensate the denominator, then you add. That is same process for the subtraction also. Third one, multiple given, correct. So multiple means no problem. Like or unlike we want to check or not, correct, no problem. directly product anywhere, whatever we give, you could do directly. Okay, division also, you know that second division multiply convey panna second time நீ cross reciprocal எடுக்கணும், கரெக்டா? So something is given. So now you clear the topic fraction, students. Fraction, what is mean by fraction, then types of fraction, how to add, sub, multiple, divide, everything we observed. I hope you understand this concept. Okay, thank you.